In today's video, we will explore the top BSc agriculture jobs in Canada along with their attractive packages. Canada offers numerous opportunities for agricultural professionals, and a Bachelor's of Science in Agriculture can open doors to rewarding career in this field. So let's dive in. One of the top career options for BSc agriculture graduates in Canada is agricultural research. With a strong focus on innovation and sustainable practices, research organizations are constantly seeking talented individuals to drive advancements in the industry. As a research scientist, you will be involved in groundbreaking studies to enhance crop production, develop new farming techniques, and addresses environmental challenges. With an average salary ranging from $60,000 to $1 lakh per year, this position offers competitive compensations along with the opportunity to make a lasting impact on the agricultural sector. Another exciting job opportunity for BSc agriculture graduate is farm management. Canada boasts vast agricultural landscape, and efficient farm management is crucial for maximizing productivity and profitability. As a farm manager, you will be oversees day-to-day operations, make strategic decisions, manage resources, and ensure compliance with regulations. With a salary range of $50,000 to $80,000 per year, this role offers a combination of hands-on work and managerial responsibilities. The food processing industry is also a thriving sector in Canada. BSc agriculture graduates can find employment in food quality assurance and control roles, ensuring that food products meet safety and quality standards. As a quality control technician, you will be conduct inspection, perform tests, and monitor production processes to maintain high standards. With salaries ranging with $40,000 to $70,000 per year, this job offers stability and opportunity to contribute to the production of safe, nutritious food. Canada's greenhouse industry is rapidly expanding, creating exciting job prospects for BSc agriculture graduates. Greenhouse operations requires skilled professionals to manage crop cultivation and optimize plant growth. As a greenhouse technician, you will be responsible for tasks such as planting, irrigation, pest control, and monitoring environmental conditions. With an average salary ranging from $30,000 to $60,000 per year, this job allows you to work closely with plants and utilize your knowledge of agricultural practices. Finally, the agricultural equipment sector offers excellent career opportunities for BSc agriculture graduates. As our technology continues to advance, farmers rely on sophisticated machinery to improve efficiency and productivity. In roles such as agricultural equipment salesperson or technician, you will be provide a farmer with necessary tools and support to optimize their operations. With a salary ranging from $40,000 to $80,000 per year, this job offers a combination of technical expertise and customer interactions. Canada agricultural industry provide a wide range of job opportunities for BSc agriculture graduates. Whether you are passionate about research, farm management, food quality assurance, greenhouse operations, or agricultural equipments, there is a path for you in Canada. So pursue your dreams, make a difference, and thrive in this vibrant sector. Livestock management is a prominent sector with a Canadian agriculture offering diverse opportunities for BSc agriculture graduates. With a vast range of livestock farms across the country, skilled professionals are in high demand. As a livestock manager, you will be responsible for ensuring the health, nutrition, and overall well-being of the animal. This including managing breeding programs, implementing herd health protocols and optimizing production. With our salaries ranging from $50,000 to $90,000 per year, this role allows you to work closely with animals and contribute to sustainable livestock production. Canada's wine industry has gained significant recognition in recent years, making viticulture a promising career option for BSc Agriculture graduates with a passion for wine production. As a viticulturist, you will be specialized in grape cultivation and vineyard management. Your responsibilities will be include planting, pruning, pest control, and a harvest planning. With an average salary ranging from $50,000 to $70,000 per year, this role allows you to combine your agricultural knowledge with a love for art of winemaking. The Canadian government plays a crucial role in shaping agricultural policies, regulation, and sustainability initiatives. BSc Agriculture graduates can find rewarding opportunities within government agencies or departments dedicated to agricultural sector. As an agricultural policy analyst, you will be research, analyze, and develop policies that support the growth and sustainability of agricultural industry. Your work will be contribute to shaping the future of Canadian agriculture. With our salaries ranging from $60,000 to $1 lakh per year, this role offers a unique blend of research, advocacy, and public service. Food manufacturing is another thriving sector that offers exciting career prospects for agriculture graduates. From large-scale production facilities to artisanal food enterprises, the industry requires professionals with a strong understanding of food science and production. As a food technologist, you will be involved in developing and improving food products, ensuring their quality, safety, and nutritional value. You may work on recipe formula, production testing, and process the optimization. With our salaries ranging from $50,000 to $80,000 per year, this role allows you to combine your agricultural background with a passion for culinary innovation. And this wraps you up our video on the top BSc Agriculture in Canada with attractive packages. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring as you consider your future career in the agricultural field. Canada offers a wide range of opportunities for BSc Agriculture graduates, for research and farm management to food quality assurance and greenhouse operations. With a competitive salaries and the chance to make positive impact on the industry, pursuing a career in the agriculture in Canada can be incredibly rewarding. Remember to explore your options, follow your passions, and continue to learn and grow this dynamic field. Thank you for watching this video and best of luck on your journey towards a successful and fulfilling career in agriculture. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel AgriFutura. Thank you.